Kraken is the new project in Factors of the Future topic that we are coordinating from Aitiip Centro Tecnológico. And then we want to develop a new hybrid manufacturing system in which we are going to combine several technologies. First of all, additive manufacturing, in this case 3D printing, and we want to use different materials. We want also to combine additive manufacturing with subtractive manufacturing. In this case, we are going to use milling and finishing technologies in order to increase even more the accuracy of the final part and to obtain very high quality surfaces.
So the importance of our sensors is that you can actually correct the end effector of a robotic system in a very large volume, such as the Vero project or the Kraken. The advantage is that we can deliver a very high accuracy in 6 degrees of freedom, and we can deliver this high accuracy not only very fast, but in real time over an AITIIP system to the control system of the Kraken project.
As you have seen, the laser truck is tracking the effect of the robots. So the main.
Okay, so within Kraken, TWI are going to be involved in the development of a hybrid deposition system to include both arcs deposition and powder feed laser metal deposition. I'm certainly not aware of any combined system at the moment that's in production that would utilise both arcs and laser-based additive manufacturing.
Machine tool industries are observing a constantly increasing trend in additive technologies. We are very much into that. Our members are asking for more work to be done at this level. That's why we appreciate projects like Kraken that are really aiming for doing a very profound and background research work in this topic. We will be very happy to see the final result of Kraken project, that will be the machine presenting all-in-one solution to design, produce or repair various parts.
These competitive advantages will be validated in 3 industry sectors: construction, automotive and industrial design 3D modeling. The main result of the project will be the new hybrid robotic machine, in addition to new process knowledge on additive and subtractive manufacturing. Furthermore, to end users' internal exploitation, the Kraken consortium will examine the possibility of establishing a spin-off company to commercialize results. Kraken aims to develop and implement an e-learning platform that will enhance and support skills development and expert knowledge dissemination in order to educate technicians, engineers and scientists in hybrid robotic manufacturing. That will increase the industry's competitiveness, but at the same time it will help create and keep jobs in Europe.